lovelies, and welcome to another video. I think by the beginning already you can tell what's gonna be in this one. I decided to, be a bit of a celebratory mood and put on this wonderful Magda Butrym dress, which I will link below for you lot in case you love it as much as I do. Very, very casual, very comfortable, and I could not wait to film this one because, as you remember from my Florence vlog, I visited Chanel boutique on Piazza della Signoria and I got some stuff, and this is very, very, very much needed because I don't think I need to explain why. I think probably first time since I actually started this YouTube channel I can say I really needed to do this. So I am, as you all know, rebuilding my bag collection, and there are a few things that I want to say before I open this. In case you're new to my channel, well, I'm Tamara, hi. I love handbags, and handbags are and always have been the most important part of my wardrobe. Ever since I was like 10 years ago, ever since I started my career, I always decided to invest in handbags rather than, like at the beginning of my career, rather than anything else. Handbags were always the most important part of my wardrobe because I always thought that even if you wear a high street outfit fully with an amazing handbag, you will look incredible. And that is still something I believe in. But unfortunately, about 3.5 weeks ago, my apartment got broken into and they stole 50 handbags from designer brands such as Hermes, Chanel, Dior, Prada, Fendi, Saint Laurent, Bulgari, basically everything. If you, just so I don't talk about this too much, you can check out videos about that and see all of that. I'm very, very lucky in so many different ways, and on this occasion I'm very lucky and blessed that I was not at the apartment because I guess they were just interested in handbags, jewelry and watches. And equally, I'm very lucky because I still have some of my collection in England, which was my home for 13 years until I moved to Paris, which is where I got robbed. The thing is though, the bags that I have in the UK are older bags of mine, and perhaps my style has evolved and changed over the years. And now I not only do this for a living as a job, I am a social media, fashion, whatever you call it, digital creator, fashion influencer, whatever. And I need some handbags, and I think I would need, even if I wouldn't do this job, I would need some basic handbags. So at first it felt very strange for me to do this. My boyfriend very kindly sorted and organized and arranged an Hermes handbag for me right after things happened as a little consoling prize. And I did film an unboxing, but I never actually posted it on this channel yet. I don't know, maybe I will post it after this one, or maybe just before this one, because now it's time that I'm building back my collection. And actually I am excited for it because I feel like I have a clean slate. I can start from zero and just get really, really beautiful rare pieces, which is actually what my collection was consisting of before, rare, beautiful pieces. Without further ado, I cannot wait to see these, and I feel very, very excited for them. So I'm gonna start with a bigger parcel because something very new from this collection is here, but something from the beginning of 2021 is in here. So this feels like exciting and emotional at the same time. I have to say that when I went to the Chanel store, because the thieves actually took also all of my jewelry, both like gold, diamond, like gold watches, and also the fashion jewelry. So all of my Chanel fashion pieces are gone. And when I looked at the bags and the accessories, it was not like I wanted to buy them right away, because first of all, I had pieces that I've been collecting for many, many years that were like selected piece by piece. So I had many rare pieces that you couldn't easily get from fashion shows over the years. They were not just like random pieces that you would walk in a shop and get. They were pieces that I would watch the collection, I would watch the fashion show, and then I would select them before they come out and say like, okay, I want this piece and that piece. As soon as it arrives, put it on the side for me, I will pay for it right away. And in that way, over the years, I was collecting some really beautiful pieces, which are now A, irreplaceable, and B, you cannot just walk in the store and buy them because they're limited, they're rare, and even then, they were impossible to get. But now let's get to the bag unboxing. Before I start, I wanted to say if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, because it's really nice to see that I'm growing a beautiful community and it helps me a lot. So if you would like to support me, please go ahead and subscribe. Now let's do this, because I am happy. This particular piece, when I saw, I immediately knew I was gonna get it. And it was a last piece in Europe of this kind, of this piece, like last piece in Europe. And it is now my first classic flap. Before this one I had 3 of this size classic flaps. I had the yellow one from the same collection with the blue interior. I had a light pink vintage one, and I also had a green, very rare one with the gunmetal hardware. Now this one is kind of a denim blue, I would say, and inside it's purple. I think it's really beautiful. The hardware is rainbow, so it's very purpley and pinky, which is what makes this bag so special. I really, really love it. I think it's super beautiful, rare piece, and as you can tell, it is very exciting for me. So let's remove the plastic. Oh, now you will probably see it even better. And then inside you have the purple leather. I think the contrast between the blue and the purple is stunning. It's a classic flap and looks like every other classic flap, except that this one is from 2020 Spring Summer pre-collection, which was inspired by Brazil, the colors, its colorful vibe, and I'm very happy that I have a piece from that collection now, because especially because it's the last one in Europe, I'm very happy that it's mine. So that was the first piece that I got, and I will place it here. Very happy to wear it. I love colorful bags. I mean, I also like the classics, but I think the colorful bags, especially now for summer, are perfection. And then the second item is in here. Similar vibes, but truth be told, when I saw this color, I immediately was like, I need something from this color. There were 2 options. There was a, should I tell you now, or should I tell you after I open it? Let me tell you after I open it. Okay, so similar vibes for one reason, but I got this one to sort of replace, even though it's irreplaceable because it was so hard to get the piece. I got a Chanel mini flap, okay, I'll say it. Got a Chanel mini flap in a fluo turquoise blue color just before the robbery. I picked it up a day before, and I was waiting for it since March till July, so 4 months. And when I finally got my hands on it, I never even wore it once before it got taken away. But I was very excited for a mini flap because I don't think I have any mini flaps in my collection, or had, other than that one. So here we are. Let me show you what's in here. Very new color, very new collection, current color of Chanel. This beautiful olive green. I think you could call it between like sort of sage and olive green with silver hardware. And even though I predominantly wear gold jewelry, I love mixing the hardwares. I even wear like a steel watch, which is, you know, perfectly matching this hardware. So this is now officially my first mini flap, and hopefully I'll have more luck with it. And inside this bag, once you remove the paper that it comes with, it has a back pocket which zips, and it has an actual back pocket where you can put your card holder, which by the way I also don't have because my wallet also got stolen. So it's something that I should get. Actually, you guys, because I'm really planning on getting an amazing wallet. I want to get an incredible, amazing wallet, not too big. I want to get something to remember the wallet that I had before. I will insert a picture here. That's the wallet that I was wearing that got stolen. It's irreplaceable because it was limited edition, but it's honestly one of the most amazing wallets that I've had because it was very handy, and I cannot buy it again. So do you have a recommendation of similar size wallet that is not a card holder but more of a wallet, also open to card holders, I guess? If you know anything amazing, please let me know, because I really urgently need to stop carrying cards loose. in my bag. So here we go. This is the bag. It is really stunning. I love this color. There's one thing, oh, actually I did have another mini flap that also got stolen, which was the Chanel mini flap embellished and adorned in pearls. So that was really beautiful, and I remember because it had a very long chain, and this one does too. I will get up so you can see it. This is kind of where it sits on the body when you wear it crossbody, whereas this one, if you wear it crossbody, now you can see where the bags sit if you wear them crossbody. So this is the olive one, it sits a little bit lower, and then the classic flap sits more just at the rib when you wear it this way. Okay, so these are the two bags, besides the new Hermes one that I promise I will post eventually, the unboxing of. It felt very strange and stuff, but you know, it's a journey. And besides the Hermes bag, these are the first two bags that I decided to start rebuilding my collection with. As you can see, I decided not to buy anything that I already had before, even though there were some options. It just did not make any sense for me. I did not feel right doing that, and I'm very excited to have these for what we have of summer. Let me know what you think about these bags. Let me know which ones you think I should get, and please let me know if you have any help about the wallets. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you lots, and I can't wait to see you again. Bye guys.